If you are tired of Arial 11 being the default font for your Google Docs and find you are always spending time changing it to something else, then this tutorial is for you. You can very easily change the defaults for your documents by following a few simple steps. The styles for things like titles and headings, etc. are found underneath the Normal menu drop-down button. And it's good practice to use these styles instead of manually changing the normal text to look like titles and heading, because the styles will be noted for anyone using a screen reader, whereas your manual changes will not. So let's start with the normal text and the steps you take to change it from Arial to your preferred font. First of all, you need to have some normal text on your screen, and then you're going to go ahead and highlight it and change it to what you would prefer to use. So I'm going to change mine to Trebuchet, and I'm going to make it size 12. Once I have that done, step 2 is that you need to go ahead and click on the normal text menu and choose Update Normal Text to Match. Now everywhere in this document that you enter normal paragraph text, you will be using your new font. But there's one more step you need to take to change it to your default Google font. Go ahead while it's still highlighted and drop down the menu for normal text again, but this time go all the way down to Options, slide over, and choose Save as My Default Styles. Once you do that, you'll notice that your text is now in that format still, but did it work? Well, let's go and open a new Google document and find out. So now when I open my new Google document, instead of saying Arial 11, it now says my new default font of Trebuchet, and it is typing in that automatically. You can change the other styles like titles and headings using the exact same steps, except selecting that text, changing it to what you want it to be. So you have to have it labeled as a title, then update your title to match, and then go down to your options and save as your default styles. Now it's okay to go ahead and change all of the styles and then just save it as the default one time.